students. Today we are going to start here these online classes. Then I am taking here this regular math revision. Already we have started this revision of this regular math and we completed this up to 11th chapter. Then today we are going to start here this revision 12th chapter, perimeter and area. See in your textbook page number 68. 12th chapter, perimeter and area. Perimeter, closed figures have a perimeter. You know that the sum of the lengths of this all the sides of a figure is called as a perimeter. Perimeter, it is a closed figure and the sum of the lengths of the all the sides of a figure is called as its perimeter. Then see here, first one, here figure is given and you find out this perimeter of this figure. Here A, B, C, D, here 4 centimeter and here 5 centimeter is given. This A, B, C, D is a rectangle. In this rectangle, these opposite sides are equal. Means AB 4 centimeter, DC also 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter, AB also 5 centimeter. Then perimeter of this figure ABCD is equal to perimeter of rectangle ABCD is equal to sum of the lengths of these all sides. Then all sides here 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. Then do here addition. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. Then you write here answer 18 centimeter. This length of these adjacent sides of the rectangle are 10 meter and 10 centimeter and 7 centimeter. The perimeter of this rectangle is. Then second one question. Here given the length of the adjacent sides of this rectangle are 10 meter and 7 centimeter. In this type of this figure you draw, then opposite sides are equal. You take this and write this perimeter of this figure. Then second one, see here question is given the length of the adjacent side of a rectangle are of a rectangle are 10 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Then what is the perimeter of this rectangle is. Then you draw here figure of this rectangle. Here adjacent sides here 10 centimeter, this 7 centimeter, opposite sides are equal, this also 10 centimeter and this also 7 centimeter. Give here names PQRS, then rectangle PQRS is equal to this perimeter of this rectangle PQRS is equal to sum of lengths of all the sides. Then 7 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. Then here 10, 10, 20. 20 and this 7, 7, 14. This 20 plus 14, 34 centimeter. Then you write here answer 34 centimeter. Then third one, see. Third one example. The length of the side of the square PQRS is 5 centimeter. side of a square, side of a square PQRS is 5 centimeter. Then you draw here figure PQRS square. One side is given here 5 centimeter. In square all sides are equal. Then you write here 5 centimeter. Here also 5 centimeter and here also 5 centimeter. Then perimeter of this square PQRS is equal to sum of lengths of this all sides. Then PQRS is equal to 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter is equal to 5, 5, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20 centimeter. Then in this type of this, again one question in homework you complete this. The length of the side of a square 11 centimeter. Side of a square 11 centimeter. You draw here one figure of this side, then take any name of this square. Then side of this one square is 11 centimeter. All sides are equal, means 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter. Then this perimeter of this square is equal to sum of length of this all these sides, means 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11. In this type of you write. Then next one, fifth one, see here this triangle figure is given 4 centimeter, this 6 centimeter and this 8 centimeter. ABC. In triangle ABC, the length of this side AB is 4 centimeter, length of the BC is 8 centimeter and length of CA is 6 centimeter. Then what is the perimeter of this triangle ABC? Triangle ABC is equal to the sum of lengths of all the three sides. Then 4 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 6, 18 centimeter. Means this perimeter of this triangle ABC is equal to 18 centimeter. Then again one in homework you complete this. Again one given here. In triangle PQR side PQ is 6 centimeter. Then QR is 10 centimeter and PR is 9 centimeter. Find the perimeter of this triangle. Find the perimeter. Then you draw here this figure of this triangle. Then you name PQR. Then PQ is here 6 centimeter, QR 10 centimeter and PR 9 centimeter. Then you find the perimeter of this triangle. Then you write here perimeter of this triangle PQR is equal to sum of all these three sides. Then you do here addition and you find this perimeter of this triangle. Then in homework you complete this today's class work. In homework you complete this today's classwork and send me this homework. Okay, then tomorrow we will study this problem set 48. Okay, bye.